You asked, how to divide 9437 by 8 using the long division method. 9 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 4, making 14. 14 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. 14 minus 8 equals 6. Bring down 3, making 63. 63 divided by 8 equals 7. 7 times 8 equals 56. 63 minus 56 equals 7. Bring down 7, making 77. 77 divided by 8 equals 9. 9 times 8 equals 72. 77 minus 72 equals 5. The remainder is 5. The final result is 1179, remainder 5.